Here's a quick video on how to use model in place tool. Typically, we do use a lot of mechanical placeholders, and the way we do it is we start mechanical equipment tool. In my case, it's a shortcut ME. And in our library, actually in our template, we do have these placeholders. For example, we can place horizontal cylinder, and then we can easily adjust the parameters, dimensions. Um, we can see it in 3D view. This is the tank. Let's say that's the shape. Maybe we can change it a little bit. Let's say it's like that. The clearance area as well, it can be adjusted. It's really convenient. And in 3D view, as you can see here, it's a very quick tank. Sometimes you don't have a lot of time to find a proper family, but for the purpose, it looks good. Very good use of mechanical placeholders. However, I'm going to show you another way of doing very similar things, and there's actually an advantage of doing it. So first thing is I'm going to utilize a shortcut for it, and I'm going to find a command called model in place, and I already placed a shortcut MIP. The reason is for that I don't really like going and searching it here, but I'm going to use it right now, MIP. So it starts this tool, and the first thing is we scroll down and find mechanical equipment. It could be other things too. Could be generic models in some cases, but I'm going to do mechanical equipment, and I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to call it, let's say, vertical tank VVT1. Click OK. So now what we do is we have this thing open, but you actually would have to go into create and start an extrusion. In that case, I'm going to select circle, and let's say this tank would be with a diameter of 1 meter, so radius of 1,000. Sorry, diameter of 2 meters, and the height of it would be, let's say, 3 meters, as an example. So it has to be depth. And let's click OK and see what we see in 3D view. Actually, need to finish it first, and then I can go and view it in 3D view. So this is the tank that we created with model in place. As you can see, when you select it, it's mechanical equipment. Very nice. However, here's the advantage that you can quickly utilize. You can go back and click on it and click on edit model in place. And let's say you want to show, I don't know, some kind of a element on top, maybe a manhole. So you would go and click create model line, and actually draw it right on this tank and finalize it. See what happens here. So it actually is placed on the very bottom of the tank. So we can actually modify it by going back and selecting these lines, and now I can change the work plane. So I'm going to go pick a plane, and going back to here, select this plane, top of the tank, and finish. And now this tank actually looks like it has some kind of a manhole, as an example. Or you can actually draw a symbol. So that's the power of doing a command called model in place. It's in a way it's very similar to like placing mechanical placeholders, except you have some additional flexibility for the appearance of it. And obviously, you can actually modify it later if you want to add like maybe a second tank. Maybe it's like a dual tank as one family. You can definitely do that and finalize it. Now, this family, in place family, if you select it, it's a dual tank.